Nanny's back's hurting her. So, thank you. Yeah, I'm just laying down. Not ready to eat. And I got the big green now. So I know I mentioned earlier that I was going to go live at 7:30 tonight. And that's my husband's meal. But I got an epidural on Thursday for my back. And my back is really hurting me right now. I don't know why. I am going to try to get up and come on and say thank you to everyone. If I do not make the live this evening, I will go live tomorrow night at 7:30. Because I really want to take my pain management medication and lay down. And I know it's only 4:30, but I am not feeling too good. My back is really hurting me. So this is an update when you've seen the little sneak peek. And I think it came out beautiful this year. I'm gonna walk back a little bit. This is my beautiful new dining room set, new chairs, and the bookcase. And I will be doing a review and letting you know where I purchased everything. I had ordered 2 more tables to make this wide, one here and one there, but they did not arrive on time. They're not supposed to be here until Wednesday. So the next tablescape that I do, you will see that my table will be wider. And I think I am going to be ordering 2 more chairs. That'll give me a total of 8-piece table setting. But when we do the dining room tour, I'll let you know where to get it and everything else. So here is my Gold Rush table. I think it's beautiful. Very nice. Very elegant. Glam. So once again, thank you all who participated for the Gold Rush 21 SLC. Me and the ladies, I appreciate you. And I will try to see you tonight, and if I can, I will do a live tomorrow. That was all that I was able to do with that started. Alright, y'all. I got my food done. Lovely tray. I am about to hop into bed. To reiterate, my back is really hurting me. So let's do live tomorrow night, Tuesday, August 24th at 7:30 p.m. Y'all stay blessed.